Good morning. Good morning. This is the New York session stream, taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, don't forget, leave a like and subscribe. And welcome as well. Should have probably said that one first. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell because we are live every weekday, Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. West African time. With that being said, let's get right into the charts. Okay, let me just make sure my audio is on, my mic is on. Okay, so yesterday we took a L. Not on the trade, but a L on the stream, because the whole of yesterday's stream, that's 2 hours worth of stream, was straight up on mute. Everything was on mute. So, no audio for the last video, but we did take a win, so I guess that helps. But I'm sure if you guys were here, you probably were just you're probably lost. If you were on the stream, you're probably lost. You're like, where is this guy? Is man's AFK or something? Oh, my fault. Come on, dog. What is this? My fault. Yeah, but nah. So yesterday's stream was muted, unfortunately, but we were able to get some dubs there. We got some what is it? I believe it was some gold cells. Yeah, some gold cells, and I actually had to leave abruptly. Right, so we did have runners, but those runners, I never set my TP, to be honest, and I had to go for a meeting, and I never set my TP. So runners would have hit full TPs, because full TPs were these lows around here. So runners would have hit full TPs, but yeah, unfortunately we came back to break even with the runners, but we were able to secure some good profits yesterday, right? Yeah, because I remember someone was in the chat yesterday and they're like, yo, and I was like, yo, what's good, bro? And they just left. I was like, okay, I see how it is. But apparently I was just muted, right? They couldn't even hear me, so it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna start double checking the audio from now on, make sure y'all can actually hear me. Now let's get into the charts. Okay, so GJ, I actually wanted to wake up for London session, right? Because I knew there was some news on GJ during London session at 2 a.m. or so, 2 a.m. Eastern. I mean, long story short, I didn't wake up, right? So yeah, I mean, I wouldn't really have gotten a position. We did have some movement here, because yeah, so 2 o'clock would have been this, right? So that's the closer. Yeah, maybe on this fake out, because we sort of had this, we had a fake out both ways, right? We had a fake out to the downside, and then we fake back up, right? So maybe we would have had a position there, but yeah, this candle has no bottom wick, so probably not. Yeah, there was some movement during London. I thought it would be a lot more movement, but yeah, I mean, I'm happy it didn't absolutely fly, because now we have opportunity to actually fly during this New York session, right? So I'm not too worried about it. I don't mind. All right, let's get into the analysis though. So on the monthly, right? So again, we have our current outlook on things is we're trying to mirror this move to the left, right? And since this candle, right, since this second bullish candle closed within the same range as this first bullish candle on the push up, we're also looking to tap a little bit higher here, right? Tap a little bit higher. To what levels? Maybe to the same levels here, we're not too sure, right? But tap a little bit higher and then eventually close back inside this range, bullish, right, within the month. But we still have 14 days in the month, so how that's gonna form, if that's gonna form, it's still, it's still up in the air. We're not really sure. We're not really certain, right? Or we can't be certain on exactly how that's gonna form, but that's just a general outlook, right? That's just something that's gonna guide our thinking, right? So let's go to the weekly. So weekly, now we've created this bottom wick and then we've started to push up. We still haven't taken out these weekly highs. The fact that we've already come up this high, I would reckon that minimum we're gonna take out this this previous weekly high before we come down, if we wanted to come down, right? So this is like 193 level, right? So it's about 193. So minimum, I would say we're gonna tap into 193 during the week before we reject, if we're gonna reject, right? So let's see how that forms as well. But we are bullish here. All right, daily, previous daily closed bullish as well. Closed bullish above this support, this minor, yeah, above this minor support, minor resistance, sorry, right? So we close bullish above that minor resistance, but we're still respecting this overall resistance over here, right? So at any point in time here, right, we're looking at 193 to get tapped into. So at any point in time, we could come up to 193, tap in, right, and then reject. This whole candle could flip, right? And at that point, you have a top wick that took out the previous daily highs, tapped into a level of interest on the daily, on the weekly, right? And then it could just flip, right? This whole candle could just literally tap in there and then flip, and then you're bearish, right? So let's see how that forms though. But again, we are bullish, but you need to take all these things into consideration, right? Yeah, 193.4. Yep. Okay, so that being said, let's go to the 4. Current 4 has no bottom wick, right? Current 4 has no bottom wick. So if this pushes up, my fault, chat. Yeah, so current 4 has no bottom wick, right? So if this continues to push up, right, like we're anticipating that it will, take out these highs, maybe even tap into 193 off of this push, you could just reject here and come down for a bottom wick. Highly doubt it though. I highly doubt it, unless there's, yeah, I highly doubt it, man, because this is gonna close at 9. So unless that 830 brings in like a lot of volume, I don't see us doing all of that. We might flip right now, but I don't see us coming all the way up to tap, 193 and then flip, right? Unless that 830 open just brings in a lot of volume. But really, I don't see that happening. But we'll see what happens here, because if we close bullish above the level here, right, at that point, what you would be looking for is a bottom wick to these lows, and then on the flip of that candle, you could take those. You could take that by going up. I mean, you don't necessarily have to come down here for a bottom wick, but the lower time frames will let you know, right? They'll give you the entries. So that's just something you want to keep in mind, right? Because also keep in mind that this previous I would say it closed above. Yeah, I was gonna say this previous bullish closer wasn't close respecting this resistance, but not really. Yeah, it closed above. Yeah, so let's see how we form there. Let's see how we form on this 4 hour. Let's see what happened. Yeah, the break of those highs are also a level too, right? That's a resistance level as well, so keep that in mind. Yeah, calm. Yeah, and that 193 is also a level, so this is all good. Cool. So let's see what our hourly is saying here. Okay, I am looking for buys, so buys there. Sells, range 2 sells, boom, say around here. Yeah, well, it's more range 1 in it. Range 2 would be more, yeah, so something like that. Yeah, something like this. Okay. See what the 30 is saying. So potentially you could get involved in some sells down here, right? Potentially, but yeah, price would need to form very well, right? But if you close back down below, I wouldn't really, I wouldn't get involved in anything here. Yeah, well, in order for me to get involved with sells, I'd say below 192.3 here. We would need to close above, right? So close above, right? And then close back below, right? Come down, boom. Something like that, right? Or we could maybe close above, right? Close back below, create that top wick towards 192.193, right? And then when we come back into this range, we take our sells, right? So it just depends on how price is gonna form. Let's see. So this candle is flipping here, right? Yeah, so we close respecting this level here on the hourly. Yeah, we close respecting that level on the hourly, and the candle is currently flipping. It has no bottom wick. Interesting. Yeah, so cool. We're creating a bottom wick now. Oof, sneezed like a mug. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I think these are good levels though. Yeah, these are good levels for now. Let's see how we form. See how we form in and around these areas here. Let's see how we form here. Hold up, my fault. Yeah, put this back. To be honest, yeah, I think I would, huh? This would be range 2, huh? And that's range 1. Yeah, range 2. Yeah, I think I actually would take the sells below here without a closer above. If we close below 192.3 here. Yeah, but this range is just 12 pips, so you would need to close. I mean, you would need to close pretty conservatively into the range. The hourly is at 30 here. Yeah. Good. Que lo que. All right, let's see what happens. I think these are good levels. Yeah, I am liking the levels at the moment. Yeah, we'll update as we go, but yeah, let's see how price forms here. Let's see how we form on price. Yeah, close back down below. And this. Yeah, let's see what happens here. 15 minutes about to close in about a minute. Let's see what happens. This is probably gonna close bearish here. All right, let's go. Let's move on to gold. Let's see what gold's saying. All right, gold monthly. Gold monthly bullish. Gold weekly bullish. Gold daily bullish. Oh, we closed bullish back in. Oh, this looks nice. This looks nice. So we closed wow. So this candle came down, created a bottom wick, took out those previous lows, and then we closed above this resistance, right? Or this this resistance that we formed here. Now we're creating our bottom wick. Once we flip, we have this whole range to take advantage of. This is a 400 pip range. Okay. Yeah, we might be able to get some runners here today if price forms well anyways. That's the story of every day, I guess. That's everyday story. We are ordinary people. Okay, let me see. So not much to work with on the 4 hour. 4 hour close, or previous 4 close bearish. Okay. Alright. So actually I want this current candle to respect. If we can respect this current candle and confirm this held as resistance, if we then come down, create a bottom wick, and then break this resistance, we should be good to start taking the buys up. We are ordinary people. Okay, let me see. So range 2 sells, right? See this one. Yeah. So 30. What's the 15 saying? Yeah, I like that level for the sells. I like that level for the sells. Now for the buys. Yeah, I really want this level to hold as resistance. If this level can hold as resistance, then we break. That would be beautiful. But off of this, like if we could have a closer above now, I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Maybe a closer above that one. Okay. Interesting form and interesting formation. 15, C5. Okay, 15. So if I took a buy going up, this would be my range, right? 30 some pips. That's not bad. Okay, yeah, let's see what happens here though. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the sooner you can get involved with the buys, the better, right? If we're gonna go for buys, or if price is gonna run up here, the sooner you can get in, the better, because then you can just hold that position, right? Because if I can get in somewhere in here, right, in these levels, in this current levels, once we flip, if we flip on this candle, and you know the lower time frames are, you know, in support, we're driving up, fam. Like we have all this range to play with. This is about a 300 pip range, right? So yeah, you could get some serious gains today. But you know, we're not gonna rush anything, right? We're not gonna get too excited. We're just gonna take what we can get. Right now, how's this 15? So this previous 15 respected. 30 hourly. Yeah, I want this hourly to just close below, man. If we can just close below, that would be great. That would be fantastic. If we close bullish above here, yeah, I mean, there is room to go up. There is room to go up, no cap. There is room to go up, but look at this 4 hour though. Yeah, look at that 4 hour. Okay, what is this level? So let me see. It's yeah. So this is where we close. We sort of close below, right? All right, let's see how we close here though. Let's see how we close. I'm very skeptical about taking these buys on this or in this range, right? I'm very skeptical right now just because of what the 4 hour looks like. If we had already come down here and taken out these lows, and we just sort of have a fat bottom wick here, and this is just a, you know, like a bullish candle up, right, with a fat bottom wick, then yeah, sure. But right now I'm a little wary of it. A little skeptical. That ain't half bad. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Please let me know if you can hear me, please. Please. I ain't trying to have another. I almost feel bad about putting in the win, or putting that as part of our record, just because, you know, I was muted the whole stream. But hey, if you were watching it, you saw. Okay, no, you wouldn't have seen my entry. That's a lie. you would have seen when I was in there, but not when I took it, right? Because I verbally said I'm taking it. Yeah, my fault, guys. But with that one, right now we're on a 10 win streak, guys. All right, we're on a 10 win streak minimum, because I'm pretty sure I lost count, or I lost track at some point. We're a 10 win streak on stream, not away from stream. We have like within the 10 win streak, we have like 2 losses off of stream, but on stream we are on a 10 win streak, which is crazy to think, huh? Absolutely crazy. But it doesn't really mean much, huh? Don't really mean much. Doesn't really mean much. Yeah, let's see what happens here. 9 minutes for the hourly to close. Okay, looks like we might get a bullish closure on GJ as well. Yeah, if you get this bullish closure, I'll look for a bottom wick. Are you okay with taking, am I okay with taking the trade so early? I mean, we're already within the session, right? We're already in session times. So yeah, if you get an entry, why not take it? There's no reason not to take it. Yeah, gold is eating up here. So most likely we're gonna take out this range before we close. Yeah, we got 8 minutes left, so 5 minutes. Yeah, we're most likely gonna take out this range before we close, which I'm okay with. I'm not complaining. But the question now is, if we close above here on the hourly, are we now looking for a bottom wick to push up, especially if we don't clear these levels? Yeah, that's the question of the day. Yeah, nah, I think what I would do, if we close respecting, so if we close above here, then yeah, I'll look for something, maybe a good bottom wick and then the drive up. But if we close respected this level, this 2378 level, I'll probably wait for price to tap into that level first and see what it does. If we drive, okay, no problem. I'll just wait for like a 15 close and take a buy. But if we reject, you know, we reject, right? Then I'll wait for a steeper bottom wick and then we'll look to get into the buys. But we are pushing up here. Let me see what we have in terms of news. We have news today, no? Yeah, we have building permits at 8:30, and was there not a second news? I thought there was a second news at 10. Maybe that's tomorrow. Okay, so we have one news. We have building permits at 8:30. I don't really know. My recollection of that news is not functioning. I don't have much recollection on whether that news brings in a lot of volume or not, but it is high impact. So let us see. Yeah, I mean, look at this formation on the 30 as well. If we come up, I mean, we're coming up. If we take out these highs and flip, yeah, you could drive down, because I mean, now you've tapped into this level once, respected, tapped into it again, respected. If this one now comes up, takes out these highs, and you know, flips bearish, you could start having so that would be a bearish hourly as well. That would be the 4-hour flipping bearish as well. Okay, what is this? Is this potential? 30, maybe. Yeah, let's see what happens there. 5 minutes left for a close. 5 minutes left for a close. The earlier we can be out of here, or the earlier we can take a trade, the better, huh? Not that I don't like spending time with y'all, but you know, I'm trying to touch some grass and enjoy some sunlight, as they say. It's cap. I ain't even gonna be enjoying no sunlight. I'ma be working. Working. Money on my mind. Yo, who watched the UFC, fam? Who watched that absolute dogfight? Yeah, Blessed is a fucking GOAT. For real, bro. Blessed is the GOAT. I knew I liked Holloway, bro. But this dude, oh my goodness. Right now, my favorite UFC fighters of all time, ever, right? And of course, mine is gonna be biased, right? Because I'm a younger individual, so there might be the legends, the Anderson Silvas, the what's his name, the Brazilian Donny with the bald head, right? All of them boys. I mean, I understand their greatness, right? But I can only speak to what I know, bro. Because to me, right now, the GOATs: Habib number 1, Holloway number 2, Adesanya number 3. Adesanya was number 2, but yeah, he don't need forehand, man. He don't need forehand small, and not just because of his losses, right? Because I mean, you can lose. You don't. Everybody's human. You're gonna lose, but I don't know. He be doing some other things, man. His last few showings have been Oh no, the Pereira one though was tough. The Pereira one, the rematch with Pereira was crazy, bro. That one was tough. But the Strickland joint, bro, come on, man. How you gonna let this 9-to-5 worker just... Nothing against you 9-to-5 workers though, you know what I mean? Cause I'm a 9-to-5 worker as well. Hey, yo. Oh, we eating up on GJ, huh? Tough. Bruh, this is what was happening throughout all of yesterday, bro. The moves were just happening for no reason. What is this? Where did this volume come from? We don't know. Some BS, man. Just took out this whole range, man. Just killed my whole flow, bar for bar, word for word, man. Okay, let me see. Time to adjust. Time to adjust. Okay. Yeah, that's tough on GJ. That's tough. That's tough. Not good tough either. Not good tough either. Okay, so yeah, 1 minute left for a closure. Let's see what happens. Yeah, knockout of the century is right. Knockout of the century is right. All right. couple seconds here, couple seconds. All right, so it's a nice closure. What the hell is that? Let me see. Hourly wise, boom. So you have some room to come up here. So considering the 30-minute level, we did close above, right? We closed above this 30-minute level. It's a good formation we have here because we're creating this bottom wick first. Once we flip, you could see this push up. Okay, we flipped. You could see this push up here, but I would only have a, I mean, it's not too much, it's not a bad vantage point. It's like it's a 8 pip vantage point. Let me see. Yeah, it's an 8 pip vantage point. Let me see. And really, I don't really see much other places for me to see that rejection, because even if we're gonna push down here, I would say your earliest point of rejection would be over here, right? 192.67, right? So if you took this flip, right, now that you're creating a steeper bottom wick, if you took this flip now, that's 3 pips though. Yeah, so my earliest vantage point is about 3 pips. I'm not too psyched about that. Not too psyched about that. Okay. Yeah, so the hourly closed above here, so we're just playing inside this range right now. Right now we're just playing inside this range. So if you look to the left, you came to this level. The last time you were in here, you came to this level. Oh, okay. This is similar. This is very similar. Okay. So now you're creating that bottom wick at this level here. Okay, I'm gonna have a buy stop. Let me see. Okay, so as soon as we tap into this level exactly, 192.58. Yeah. As soon as we tap into this 192.58 exactly, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the break of those highs. Because I'm looking to the left here, and if you can see this candle here, right? You see how we had this bullish candle close, this long bullish candle enter into this range, right? Tap into this level, and then we had a rejection towards here, and then we pushed up, right? Yeah, so if you can tap into this level, maybe even close below, not close below, but I mean, if you can close below this level on the 5-minute and then close back above, yeah, for sure I'll have a buy stop. But for now, let's see what happens. Okay, so we've tapped into that level now, right? We've tapped into that level. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna reject or what? Let's see. Let me see. So last time we came here, we tapped in, we flipped bullish, and we drove, right? Okay. But this one came down. We closed like that. We just closed like that. So we never came back up here. Maybe 15. Let me see, what is that? 15. Yeah, no. Because this one came, hold up. Yeah, this one came all the way up, right? Yeah, this one came all the way up. So something similar to this. Yeah, this one came all the way up. This one tapped in. Went there, boom, tapped in, closed bearish. Right, this 15 went all the way up. So if we flip, yeah, let's see how this 5 closes. If this 5 closes respecting this level, I'm gonna have buy stops. Oh, but should I though? Let me see. Look at this. Let me see here. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so I'm trying to mirror. I'm looking to mirror this move to the left here, right? I'm looking to mirror this move to the left. This one right here, right, where we had this bullish closure above into this range, a tap into these levels, and then, you know, a drive up, right? Now we've done the same thing now, right? We've done the same thing currently. So this 5 minute is about to close. Yeah, if this 5 has a good bottom wick, okay, and we're respecting this level. Okay, now I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that last push down. Okay, yeah, this is interesting. Hold up, guys, hold up. So news is at 8:30, right? What's happening on gold real quick? Let me just take a peep at gold. Does gold have no top wick? I mean, yeah, I'm waiting on gold. I'm not taking anything here. Yeah, not yet. Probably gonna wait on news for gold. But GJ though? Let me see the 4 hour. What's happening on the 4? So we still have no bottom wick, right? Okay. We still have no bottom wick. So if we come up here, what am I looking at as a vantage point though? That would be, yeah, it's a risky trade to take, guys. It's gonna be a risky trade to take. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see how this 5 closes. If we take out these lows, right? If we take out this low, which we just did, and we flip bullish on this 5, we close bullish. Actually, okay, yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, what we need right now is for this 5 to flip bullish and close above. If we can close above 192.63, I'll have buy stops at the flip of the 15 or the highs of the 30, which is also 15, so same thing. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. That is what I'm going to do. Ooh, it's a tough bottom wick still, and we never took the highs. Wow. Yeah, I mean, if you bought right now, like if you just click buy right now, you'd probably come out with a profit, to be fair. I mean, yeah, man. I mean, right here you're already 3. Oh, never mind. Oh, I thought that was something. It's 3 pips. 3 pips in profit. It's jokes. I don't wake up for none less than 30 pips, dog. I mean, yeah, so let's see how this 5 closes. If this 5 closes above, I'll have buy stops. Actually, let me just get that ready. What is this, DJ? Look at this dude. Somebody can take a look at this dude. Let me see. What is this man's talking about? I have EAs active, bro. What is this dude talking about? Who's the dude? Expert advisor. Okay, so final few seconds of this 5 minute. I'm hoping we don't flip, because then I have to think. We don't like thinking around these parts. We're not a fan of thought. A man who thinks all the time. Yeah, if you flip right there, you're pretty much yaked. Yeah, so around those lows, I mean, you could create this bottom wick here. Yes. Looks something like this. Let's see. This 5 minutes about to close. Okay, looks like we're gonna close bearish, which is, I mean, that's fine by me. That's fine by me, but are we actually respecting that level? Let me see. We just close. Yeah, we just close below. Okay, so now I don't need to think anymore, right? There's no position. We got no positions. It is pushing up though. It is pushing up though. I got no positions, but we are pushing up. So keep your FOMO in check. Keep your FOMO in check. Yeah, we're flipping. We're flipping. Okay, let's see what gold's doing. Okay, gold flipping as well. Took out the low, previous 15 low. Okay. So now we have a bottom wick for this 30 and this hourly. All right, if we come up now and break these highs, are we gonna see a drive up? Maybe. The only thing I'm wary of is this level here. 30, 15. Yeah, it's on the 15. Man, I guess you could see this drive up. I mean, this is 30 pips, right? It's not bad in terms of the pips, but yeah, man, I don't like, because this 4-hour close, previous 4-hour close bearish never took out these lows. You could still flip on this candle, bro. Right, you have news, you could still flip on that candle, but now you're taking out those highs, which is good. So you should see, you could see a push. Let me not say you should, you could see a push there. And COMEX open is about to open as well. Okay, so 3 minutes for this 15 to close. Let's see how we close. If we close inside this range or above this level, maybe we have opportunity for buys going up. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, that's a good level too. We took off from that bitch. Boom, boom, pow. Boom, bada, boom, pow. Going on GJ. GJ riding up a little bit. Looks like we're probably gonna have a 15-minute closer bullish on GJ. There that goes. There go that boy. About to flip. There go that boy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome one and all. Welcome one and all to the stylings of flipped on GJ. We flipped on the 15. We're most likely gonna see 192.7 get tapped. I don't see a reason why we wouldn't tap into 192.7 at this point. Especially if this 15 closes above it. How many pips is that? 6 pips? Okay. And it's not like, oh, 6 pips is bad or anything, right? It's just that, you know, if if I'm going break even at 6 pips, what's the, I'm not gonna close anything, right? What are the odds that's actually gonna, if my next area of rejection is 6 pips away? You know what I mean? It doesn't really make much sense. So we open, no bottom wick. Bro, this is how those candles opened up yesterday, man. No bottom wicks, and they just flew up, every single one. Well, not every single one, but a lot of them. A lot of them. Yeah, it looks like this is gonna be an 8:30 trade though. Let me see gold. Okay, so gold closed, respect. Oh no, it closed above. So gold closed above here. We could, I mean, with 8:20 opening, we could see this push up. Yeah, bro, 27 pips ain't bad. They created a, does this have a bottom wick? Sort of, not really. It has a little bit. If this candle can flip on this 5, if it flips on this 5, creates a bottom wick. If we flip again on the same 5, I might just buy. I might just take those buys. I know we have news at 8:30, but if that happens, if we have the, okay, so flip, create more of a bottom wick, tap into this level. If we flip again, we should push. We should see a straight push up here. Or we could anyways. 15 pips isn't bad. 15 pips ain't bad. Let me see. It's hourly. Alright, so with the way I'm getting into the position, you really shouldn't come back for anything. So it's the hourly for. If we're flipping, you're fucked anyway, so might as well put it there. 30, 15, 5. Okay. Oh, 5 making a bottom. Okay, so man, I'm not gonna have a buy stop. I'll probably look to market execute. That's dangerous though. It's a little dangerous, I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, tap. Eyes. So we've driven off this level in the past. We already tapped in there. Yeah, we already tapped in. Yeah, never mind. Ooh. This 5 flips bullish though and closes bullish above this level though, I'd rate the buys. I would rate the buys. Actually, bring back my bring that back. Let me see. Let's see how we close in about a minute here. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. Yeah, if you see a jolt up, because now for this candle to close bullish here above this level, that's a fat bottom wick. Close above. Yeah, you're most likely gonna see that pull to 23.78. Alright, let's see what happens there. GJ though, the previous hourly no top wick. This, or 5-minute, sorry. This one forming as it's forming, same thing on the 15:30. Yeah, most likely gonna be an 8:30 thing. We're about to take out daily highs though. Right, we are about to take out daily highs, and remember we do have these previous daily highs as targets right now. The 192.7 is what we're looking at, right? So once we tap into this level, you should know what's going on. If we can get a trade tapping into that level, that would be good as well. But yeah, once we tap in, we should know what we want to do for the day. Yeah, this 30-minute coming back up. Yeah, if we take out these highs, let me see what's in our way. Yeah, so this is the only thing in our way really. This rejection right here. Yeah, this rejection here is the only thing in our way. Aside from that, this would have been clean. right? Well, this would have been a really clean range, right? So, but I mean, if you're gonna take the highs here, you have a 1 pip vantage point before you tap into that level, so it doesn't even make sense. So let's see what happens. Let's see what we want to do. Let's see what we want to do. Did the 5 just close? Yeah, 5 closed bearish, so beautiful. So we just wait. We just wait. My fault. Ooh, whoa, should have shown that one. Why do I have my email here, bro? I mean, it doesn't matter, I guess. It don't matter. It don't matter. Yeah, so gold, we did close above. Remember what I said? If we close above and then back below, you could start having, you know, you could play with that one. Pause. Yeah, you see that rejection? If we flip on this 4 hour, tough. Absolutely tough. Let me see. So what level would I consider for the sell? I think I said that on GJ, no? Was that on GJ or on gold? I don't know. Yeah, you're seeing a bit of volume here though with COMEX open. Yeah, look at that 4 hour melt, huh? Look at that 4 hour melt. Yeah, this is gonna be an interesting close. Yeah, a couple minutes left here. Let's see what I won. I'll be back. I'm definitely not taking anything before news though. So trade accordingly. Club going up on a Friday, Thursday. What is today? Tuesday? Yeah, so I'll be back, guys. And we back. Okay, so 30-minute about to close. News about to drop as well. Let's see what this manufacturing index is saying. Or no, not manufacturing index, building permits. My fault. Let's see what the building permits are saying. All right. Cool. So first thing we did, we created a top wick. Yeah, okay. We're pushing up here. So I guess news is negative. Or what is it? So yeah, news is negative. You know, I'm actually curious real quick. Does the Canadian news do anything? Okay, I guess it does. Never mind. Okay. I thought Canadian news just didn't do anything, like even on Canadian pairs, but clearly it does. Okay. Cool. Okay. So now let's see. Okay, these are interesting opens on both gold and GJ. So gold ended up closing bearish, but above this level, right above this resistance on the 30. Okay, 30-minute. So now we've created this bottom wick on. Oh man, I can't enter now though. Yo, my fault, chat. Okay, so we've created this bottom wick now, right, on the 30. If this was not news, if this wasn't, you know, off of news, I would already have my buy stops on the flip of this candle, right? But we need to see what news wants to do. If we can get this 5-minute close bullish without driving up, then we can get involved, right? We can get involved in these buys, right? We can get involved in those buys. 4 hours, so this levels here. Yeah, so I mean, we have maybe not the best vantage point, right? Because I mean, if we can just close a little bit bullish on this 5, we have like say a 6 pip vantage point, I would say. Yeah, like a 6 pip vantage point. The fact that we've already come down here, so we've already tapped into around these levels, right? So this is the level I was wary of before. We've already tapped around these levels and we came down all the way, right? We've already tapped around these levels and then we pushed back down, creating this bottom wick. So now if we close bullish again, especially off of news or off the volume from news, then we should you know, we should blow clean through that level, to be fair, or to be honest, right? But let me see gold. Yeah, gold, I mean, we saw this initial jolt of volume, but nothing really forming here on gold. Yeah, nothing really forming here on gold. So the news was negative, so we should be going up, right? Yeah, so we should be going up, but nothing is really happening on gold there. 1530. This 30 level. Actually, how did that 30 close? Okay, 30 closed back bearish. So we closed back below bearish. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, most likely I'm probably gonna wait for the 4-hour to close, huh? On gold, I'm probably gonna wait for the 4-hour to close. No cap. No cap, no cap. Yeah, look at GJ, right? So I mean, it is what it is, right? But yeah, I mean, I can't get in until we have this 5-minute close. So if this 5-minute closes above, let me see, man. Yeah, I'm gonna start sample testing certain entries. So an entry off of, you know, instead of the 5-minute close after news, of like maybe a minute closure, a minute or 2-minute closure, right? Yeah, that's gone, boy. Yeah, if there was no news here, I would have gotten in on this flip. But you know, gotta stick to the plan. Okay, 1 hour. I'm just trying to see where else can I take these buys, because now we tapped into this 192.7, which is our targets for the day, right? That was our target for the day. So now that we've tapped into that level, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna continue pushing up, close above, right? If we close above, we can continue to take the buys up. If we start rejecting and eventually flip, oh, I doubt it. You remember what I said before, that I doubt we would tap into 192.7 and then flip on this candle, right? So now that we've tapped into this 192.7, I highly doubt we're gonna flip, because that 8:30 news didn't do much in terms of volume. I mean, we have volume here, but it's not like crazy volume, right? Where we can just, you know, where I would expect we would just reject. So a 5-minute close respecting 192.7 as well. We could continue this push up, especially with the way this candle formed. We took out these lows, right? We took out this whole range, tapped into this level, and yeah, we could continue driving up here, but I need to wait for a 15-minute close, because we have a rejection area right there. We're literally at a resistance. So I mean, it would be pretty dumb if I took a buy right now. Yeah, we literally just closed respecting the resistance. So yeah, it'd be pretty dumb for me to buy right now. So looks like we waiting here. Looks like we waiting. Hi, fair. Yo, this is what GJ did all of yesterday, man. It would show its hand. We would get ready for, you know, taking the entry, and then it would close on some knock shit and then continue in our direction, like some bullshit. Man, like Mega Forex, how you doing, brother? Yeah, you exhausted too, huh? Markets be playing with you, or they be playing with me. They play with me. Markets be playing with me. Yeah, so I mean, we have this flip on the hourly now. Let's see. Yeah, but that 30-minute close bearish, and news didn't really bring much volume. Yeah, so nothing for me quite yet, though. Nothing for me quite yet. Let's see how this 4-hour closure is gonna be key. It's gonna be key here. This 4-hour closure is gonna be key, because just looking at this 4, we could still flip right here. Right, we could still flip right here, you know? We could still flip right here. Yeah, we could still flip on this 4 hours, so we want to be careful there. I mean, if we can close like this, I mean, that's beautiful, right? We can start taking those buys going up. Yeah, let's see, 30. Yeah, we just need to close above there to be fair. Close above there to be fair. Those highs now got formed. 5 minute. Have that resistance. Boom, boom. Yeah, man. Yeah, let's see what going. Let's see what going. Let's see what going. Yeah, GJ's still flying here. I mean, hey, bruh, it's the story of my life on GJ, man. Cause I got no entries, blood. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do here? I'm literally at a resistance. If I bought right here, that's the dumbest shit. What is a man supposed to do? I can't. I would have bought off rip. If this candle just didn't drive, if we just closed a little bit bullish here, I would have bought off rip. No questions asked, for real. But hey, nothing. You don't need to stress too much. You know, if we have this 4 hour closer inside this range, we still have some, you know, we have decent range to go to the top side, right? We still have some range to play here, right? Above 192.85, you have decent range to play. So nothing, don't get too, don't worry about it too much. You're still gonna see moves. Oh, my fault, guys. Yeah, so yeah, don't stress about it too much. It would have been nice to get in this initial position here, right? I mean, that's already your 14 pips in profit with that one, but hey, we didn't get the entries. It is what it is. So we'll wait 5 minutes here. Let's see what happens. But there's volume in the markets, at least. We know there's volume, so that's good. That's bueno. I'm looking to have some runners today, guys. At least sometime this week, right? And not just because not just because we're pulling up on what's it called? Not just because we're pulling up on what is it? The deadline for the challenge. Just because the way this week is looking, yeah, we should do bits. We should do bits. What's the name of my internet? Let me see. Okay. I thought chat. Oh man, lost in the sauce over here. My fault. Okay, let me see. Oh shit. Yo, I'm bugging, dog. Bruh, I'm bugging. Yeah, I gotta chill out with that. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. Yeah, that is my government name. It don't really matter, does it? Yeah, it doesn't really matter, does it? Yes, my name is Oludamilare. Oludamilare. If you know me, you know me, innit? If you know me, you know me. Okay, so about 30 seconds left for a closer. See gold as well. Okay, that's beautiful on gold. Okay, lock in here, guys. Lock in. Lock in. See, it's 4 hours as well. Yeah, lock in. Oof. Yeah, this is the only issue here, though. This is our only issue. Ugh. Okay, actually, no, that's not bad. That's not bad. So what I want to happen here. Oh no, this isn't okay. This is a 15. Never mind. Yeah, I thought that was the 9. I thought that was the 4-hour close. Never mind. This is a 15-minute close. Okay. So, I mean, we could drive up here maybe, but then you still have this level to worry about right here. Mandem, how far? You still have this level to worry about here, bro. Okay, so I mean on GJ though, hold up. Let me see the logistics on GJ. 15 hourly. Yeah, shit spread out now. That shit spread out now. Okay, let me see. Trying to get my levels here just so I have a good basis. Okay, down here instead. Could reject off of there. In terms of rejections, boom. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this hourly close, guys. I think I'm gonna wait for this hourly close because you could if you break these highs again, you probably would see a push up here, right, to 192.85. But yeah, that's a 3-pip vantage point. It's not the best. 15 closed above, so if you take this flip, right, let me see, if you take this flip, that's 3 pips, and that's, yeah, if you take the flip, I guess to the top is 10 pips, right? Yeah, if you take that flip, you got 10 pips going up, but then you have potential rejection areas here. Yeah, it's a lot of things in here I want to avoid, man. There's a lot of things in here I want to avoid. So I'm just gonna, it's the last 15 minutes of the 4-hour as well. We're currently at a 4-hour level. Yeah, man, I'm gonna just wait this out, see this 4-hour close, and then we should be able to get something here, right? Because we above 192.85, we're clean, man. We're clean for the drive up above 192.85. It's a clean range right here, right? So I'm not too worried about missing out on a move. We're not just gonna, yeah, I can tell you now 100%, we're not just gonna go clean through this range right now, right? In the next 10 minutes, we're not gonna do that. Definitely not. Watch the market make me eat my words. Shit crazy.
Probably can't hear.
That stuff is crazy. Wagwan, my brother.
It is more. You can't hear.
Wagwan, fam. I did, you know.
I did. You have a viewer in the chat.
No, the guy don't come out.
Oh, what?
He don't come out.
Oh, and I'm out of S&P. Let's see. That's probably early, but let's say I'm sorry.
Yeah, so let's see how we close here in about 10 minutes. I don't think I'm taking this. So earliest trade here would be 9 o'clock. I don't think I'm taking anything here because we are about to flip. This gold might flip. So the previous 30-minute closed bearish. If we flip on this current 30 with the way the 4-hour is looking. Okay, actually, let me see what that is. 30 flip is where? 30 flip and then 4-hour flip. The difference between the 30 flip and the 4-hour flip is 30 pips. That's not much for gold, man. So if we flip on the 30, we could just flip on the 4. Most likely we'll flip on the 4 after creating this top wick at a rejection area. That's interesting. All right, but okay, so 5 close. Okay, so 5 close above, so I don't need to use my brain too much. I just wait for a closer. Yeah, we don't like to think over here, man. The less thinking, the better. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a closer there. Let's see what going in 10 minutes. What's good, bro?
Wait, hold on. Before you go AFK, open Meta Trader 4.
Let me see. Yeah.
I can't see it.
Oh, one sec. Okay. Is this not what you're talking about, you bellend?
Yeah, okay. So click on that smiley face. Well, it's a frowny face. You're just dragging it.
No, it's delayed, man. I've clicked it.
Okay, double click it.
Okay.
Okay,
the stream is delayed. Don't look at it.
delete.
Just the stream is delayed. Just tell me what to do. So I have trade shell window open.
Okay, go to. Do you see a section that says common? You should see about,
Yep.
common, and inputs.
Yep.
Okay, under common, click allow live trading and allow DLL imports. You're supposed to have those checked.
Yeah, it's already, well, allow live trading wasn't checked, but DLL imports.
Yeah,
checked.
that's why.
Okay, that's it.
Why is this thing so delayed? Then click OK.
All right.
And that section, like on like the top middle, you should see something like new order, auto trading. Do you see those?
On the what? On like the
on top, like on the, like just above all the time frames.
Yeah.
Auto trading, make sure it's on. It should be showing like a green plus button on top of that thing wearing a hat.
Yeah, it's on.
Are you sure? Because it was okay. Yeah. Now, can you see that smiley, that frowny face? It's a smiley face now. So now the difference is that you don't need to go back to like type in those numbers anymore. Like now it's actually on now, so you can you can test it out on a demo. But yeah, now that arrow on the right, you can actually click it to place the stops. You can move, you can set like different TPs, like a TP 1, 2, and 3, like on the fly. Like if you right click, yeah, if you click that arrow to place the trade immediately like that.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's what
And
you're
you can
saying.
set in different
Okay.
take profits, because I know you like to close partials, and you can close that and you can do it on the fly like that.
Gotcha, fam. Okay.
And that M on the bottom left, that's only if you want to like change what you're risking. Like maybe you want to risk by percentage, maybe you want to risk $100 instead of 150. That's the only time you need to go into that M.
I got what you're saying now.
Yeah, so that's it. Like I never knew that like if you have it turned off, it will still display the thing, but you can't actually enter trade. Yeah, if you click that plus button, you click it, that plus button on TP, you can now set multiple you get. So you can choose to close partials, you know, at a certain level and then let your runners hit a certain level you get. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, but how do I control the percent for like the multiple TPs?
Okay, go to the M thing, like on the lower left.
Yeah.
You're risking that. Okay, so like no, the top left. You know that thing that says risk USD?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can either risk USD, risk a percentage, or risk a specific lot size.
No, I mean now, like not the risk, like sorry, like say my TP1 is here. Like how do I tell it that once it hits my TP1, close 90% of the position? Is it this one click?
Hold on, let me open it on my end because in my opinion, I don't close partials too often. I'll have to let me check. I have my terminal open. Let me just.
Did this one click close?
It's a one-click thing. No, that one-click close is if you want to close all profitable positions, all losses, all buys, all sells, or every position. It's just a fast thing that you can do to quickly like close shit. This is literally like the name. So just hold on. Let me just quickly load it.
What does that even mean? Set all TP to break even. How would you even do that?
Now, where was it? I'm trying to. You know what? Let me actually just go to the freaking. It's probably in the documents.
Boo! Fake guru. Fake guru.
I don't close partials with this thing yet.
Fake guru. I don't think you can actually.
I'm pretty sure.
No, like you can close partials, but I don't think it has automatic like. But I'm seeing a percent here. I'm seeing a percent, but I think this percent is something else.
I can't seem to. Let me log into a different demo account. Or is it only? Yeah, I knew it. It has it. They even added it in like a different, like one of the earlier versions. Partial one-click close picture. You can select 100, 50, or 25% of income. Yeah, somewhere here.
I want 90% though. Okay, no, then it's this one-click close, isn't it?
No, it's
because here it's saying that you can change the one-click close to 25, 50, and 100%.
No, it's just saying that as an example. I'm sure you can specify percentage.
I don't think so, bro. I'm just tapping this one.
Your terminal is not even sure.
No. I removed it.
Oh, okay. All right. Let me cook.
I mean, just the automatic entries are good enough, to be fair. But the more automated, the better.
Yeah, for the
AI and that. AI and that. Okay, so we've got a minute.
So I'm on the demo.
Got a minute for a closer here, for the 4-hour close. Let's see what going. Yeah, you remember the last time, right? And we had these levels when we missed out on a trade because of where we had our levels. Yeah, this is a tricky one, because if you look at this 4 hour, right, technically this is not your level here, right? Because this candle had no top wick. That means we continued pushing up on the open of this candle and then rejected. So really this is your level, and this would be your level over here. All right, so yeah, that's interesting. Let's see though. I mean, regardless, you're gonna close below here. Regardless, gold as well. Okay, so I actually preferred if gold would close. Well, not convincingly bullish. Okay, so that's our 4 hour close on gold. Now, question. On the lower time frame, there is a level. One sec, bro. So on the lower time frame, there is a level. This is a 15-minute level resistance right here, right? But now you also have a 4 hour close above, right? You have a 4 hour. Well, it didn't really close above anything because you don't have levels here on the 4. But if you consider maybe these top wicks, I guess you could say you close above resistance. But yeah, that's tough. That's tough. The hourly close above here as well. 30, 15. Yeah, man. So it's 30 close above here. Yep. We have driven up from here as well. I would say I need more of a bottom wick. Yeah, I need more of a bottom wick. Okay, so real quick, let me just look at GJ real quick. Look at GJ. So GJ 4 hour close, respecting that level. You're still playing inside this hourly level, but I mean, you're below here as well. I'm gonna probably wait on maybe a 15-minute close on GJ and see what I want. Right, if we can push up on the 15-minute above 192.85, cool. Or if we can, you know, create a bottom wick here and still close respecting 192.64, then I'll have the bias going up. So GJ, I'm a shelf for the time being. Gold, I understand we closed above here, but if you look at like the 15-minute, right, look at the 15-minute, you do still have this level that you didn't clear, right? You do have that level you didn't clear. I mean, you tapped into the level already though, right? So you already tapped into the level. So if you come back, okay, here's what I'm seeing here. Okay, so first thing came down. Okay, so let's see. So if we look to the left, we came up, right? Then retested this level, came back up, retested this level, right? Came back down. Came back down, then up again. Boom, 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 boom. So what does that look like? So we have a 1, 2, then a higher one. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. That's interesting. So I'm trying to basically mirror this move to the left. So now that we've tapped into, let me see. So this one tapped all the way above here though, right? So let's say this level here. So where did we tap into after? So after we tapped here, we came all the way down into this level. Okay, so 30, 15. I'll tell you what, once we make this bottom wick, okay, yeah, that's a good enough bottom wick. I'm gonna have a buy stop. Here. How many pips is this? 15 pips. So 15 pip vantage point. That's the 4 hour highs as well, right? Previous 4 hour highs anyways. 1 hour 30. Yep. Let's see, 4 hour lows. I mean, shouldn't really come up here for any reason. Yeah, especially if we're making a bottom wick like this. Yeah, we gave those lows, what the daily look like? What does the daily look like? Daily lows 2373. Yeah, sorry for the rambling, chat. I'm just going through the motions. Let me see.
Oh,
okay.
Wow.
So I'm gonna have a buy stop. I like where we're tapping into. I like where this bottom wick just came into. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk the wick entry. Plus we have a top wick. Yeah, I mean a wick entry would be nice here, but we don't really have the setup for a wick entry. Yeah, we already came up here. How many pips is this then? 7 pips. I don't mind 7 pips. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have a buy stop. Go to buy stop. So I can't. This thing I can't. I can only market execute. No. Oh no.
No, you can set limits and stop orders.
Oh my god! I thought. Okay, I'm gonna have to practice this on a demo, man. I thought I just almost entered a.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I'll shelf it for now, but I'll practice it on a demo or something. Okay, so I'm gonna have a buy stop here at the flip of that candle. Oh, that means the 5 just closed. Okay, my buy stop not yet. I want to see how this 5-minute closes. If we close on this 5-minute bullish, respecting I mean, I want to be above 2375, I'd say. Yeah, you want this 5-minute to close above 2375, but this is a really good bottom wick, if it's a bottom wick anyways. All right, now we're taking out the previous 30-minute lows. Okay, that's interesting. And we're flipping on the moving averages, flipped on the 30-minute as well. Yep, only 4. Yeah, so this is a really good bottom wick, if it is a bottom wick. Right, so once we flip, we should see drive. We should see a drive. Yeah, this is good on the 5-minute as well.
Is that who I think it is? Oh, the bald-headed Z fighter has shown up.
Amado. Okay, so let me see Wagwan GJ as well. Okay, so GJ pushing up here. 15. Wow, what a formation on GJ. Look at the 15. Okay, close, no bottom wick. And top. Let's see how we close on this 5. Yeah, we have yeah, at least we have volume, right? We know we have volume. We might not have a position quite yet or an entry quite yet, but we have volume. So this is good. This is good. Let me see. 5-minute. Yeah, so the 2 things I'm looking at on gold potentially here for the buys is I guess you would say the riskier position would be if this 5-minute close bullish, respecting this level, this 2372 level, right? If we close bullish above, you create a bottom wick, you could take the flip of those highs, right? And then you could take that to drive up and fill the rest of the range. The good thing about that position is now you have a good vantage point, right? Because once you go here, once you tap into here, you're basically break even, right? And then the rest of this, if you're gonna drive up, no way your break even is gonna get tapped. You're definitely not gonna get tapped on your break even, so you have room to run, right? If you're gonna have runners, you have room to run. But the downside of that is that you're also gonna be under this resistance, right? You're also gonna be under this resistance. So you could just reject and drop, right? You could just reject and start moving back down. So that's a problem. Then the second one we can look for is we wait for this 15-minute to close, right? We wait for this 15-minute to close bullish. So it flips, close bullish. on the new 15, we buy off rip. We don't really need a bottom wick because we've already created a bottom wick here, right? So we just buy off rip. The only issue with that one is you might miss the move. As soon as this 15 flips, we could just push and kill this whole range, right? We could kill that whole range immediately, and you don't even have time to get into a position. So you gotta weigh those out. Most likely I'll wait for the 15 because yeah, especially look, this 5 is probably gonna close bearish as well. So yeah, that's a no dice for me. It's a no dice for me. But GJ definitely you still have good positions on, or potential on GJ. Yeah, but here's the thing, right? This whole week, or not this whole week, yesterday, well, that is this whole week, but yesterday we've had multiple positions come out like this, where we don't quite have an entry because we don't have a bottom wick or something like that, but we just push straight up, right? Tempted to take this, to be fair, but yeah, you could just drive up here, y'all. You could drive up here. This has been happening all week, man. All week it's been happening. Like it'll just go. It won't even give us time to take the entry, man. It'll just go. Like as soon as we take out these highs, I mean, we already flipped on the 5, but as soon as we take out this 15 highs, we could be gone. We could just be gone. But I'm gonna just stick to the plan right now. Stick to the script.
Okay. So side segment, after nearly a week or two of back and forth, they just chopped it up to slippage.
What was that?
The UK 100 trade.
Yeah. What? Oh, with your guys, bro, with your broker.
Yeah. Well, my prop technically.
Oh, your prop. These were, oh, the 5 closed bullish on gold. Okay, that's crazy. I ain't even peep. Oh, whoa, okay, that means that happened in the last 20 seconds. That's volume right there. Okay. All right, what you need now? Oh, I'm thinking about putting a buy stop here, man. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, if this 15 flips, you could drive up, man. That'll be 5. This is the only thing I don't like. Just this level right here. That's the only thing I don't like. But we've already tapped into that level, so we should just clean through it, no? That's, how many pips is that? It's about 10 pips. 15 close, 30. And so then that would be the what? That would be the 4-hour flip as well. Yeah, that'd be 4-hour flip as well. Okay, gold. Interesting. All right, lock in. Wagwan.
I want to send you something on Discord. Just take it's just a picture. Take a quick glance and tell me what you think of the concept.
Okay. What is it?
Let me just see.
Rook's there, so.
Yeah, he's muted.
I don't like Rooks, you know. The legend, the absolute legend, yo. I learned everything I learned from this guy, right? Everything I know, I learned from this guy. Wallah. Everything about life, everything about money, everything about women, I learned from this guy. This guy is like, this is the guy, man. This is the guy.
YK, check your DMs.
Carpe diem.
On Discord.
The favorites. Straight to your card, huh? Word?
I swear, but again, it's an issue of trust as well. But
yeah, but that would be convenient.
Individuals.
Yeah, like that would be very convenient.
It's convenient, but is it trustworthy? Like, you think it should work? Like, I don't like the idea of them operating as a bank for me.
I mean, it would only be based off of your funds that you have with them, innit? Like, it's not like you are putting your actual.
Based off of your profits.
You could get me, still. Like, because if they are going to hold you normally, Like there's no difference. You
Again,
get me?
that's part of what I'm saying. If they're going to hold you and your profits are in that card now, what happens?
Oh, like the profits you've already withdrawn, yeah? Okay, I get what you mean.
Because it's technically still there. Like let's say an MFS situation happens now, or something similar, like the other problems, like they just go down because of mismanagement. The funds in your bank,
No, I don't think they get. Do they get? Do they get? Actually, let me read. Yeah, I'll read exactly what this thing is saying, but yeah, I'll read exactly what it's saying, but yeah. Let's see. We have 15-minute close here. One sec. Let me see. Okay, so 15-minute closing.
It is a convenient way to allegedly avoid tax, though.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so 15-minute close.
Allegedly.
Okay, so nothing on the 15. We got nothing on the 15. This 15-minute close bearish on gold. Okay, you can still play the 30-minute close though. Oh, sorry, the 30-minute flip for the buys. You can still play the 30-minute flip. Let's see. So 15 closed. Well, it's not really below, is it? Because you have this level here. Yeah, so 15 closed respecting support but bearish, right? Yeah, I'd say yeah. So we close respecting support bearish. This 15 has no bottom wick yet. We have no bottom wick for this 15. I tell you what, if we close on the 5 like this, once we get a bottom wick on this 15, I'm gonna have a buy stop. I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of the hourly, which is the flip of the 4-hour as well. But we're driving up here. We're pushing up here. We might not create that bottom wick. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we're pushing up. Okay. Yeah, nothing on GJ though. GJ is stalling for now. I don't mind, to be honest. I don't mind GJ doing a little dance over here. Because if we could stall here for a little bit and then we have a 30-minute closure above 192.85, that would be good. We could take those buys. Sure. Yeah, let's see what gold does. Let's see what gold does. All right, let me see. Worldwide card payments. Wait, so like are the funds just staying in your account, like in your trading account?
No,
or you withdraw the funds to your actual account?
No, you're withdrawing it to their card. So like even though it's yours, the Fibers manages the bank account. Like okay, all these virtual USD cards.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, so
operating as that.
Oh, so it's not like an account that is tied to say, okay, your Zenith now. It's not like under Zenith you see you have a dollar account with this card. No, it's just like it's more like PayPal. It's like PayPal, yeah, sort of.
Yeah.
Or Visa card. Not Visa card. Yeah. What is the name of it? Yeah, like it's like an online account, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can probably get a physical card too, but all these virtual like OPay, PalmPay.
Gotcha.
PayPal is basically like that.
Oh, okay. I get. Okay, yeah. Then yeah. I think it's. I mean, the thing is that if they are, yeah, like if they are paying out, yeah. I mean, I get it's convenient, but last, if they are paying out, I mean, why not just get the money in your actual account still? Yeah, but I get the taxes and all that. Yeah, if they were trustworthy, then it's a dub in it. But
yeah,
I will let other people take that bullet for me.
Okay. And then one thing, because they didn't say anything else. This is the only picture they give. It just says new. Not saying any names. Visa card, worldwide card acceptance. Like it's Visa, so it's fine. Instant spending, pay anywhere, blah blah blah. But then other than the trust, I don't even know if like the withdrawal to this card will be much faster than other traditional methods you get. Because for people who aren't in our country, like let's say crypto is still legal where they are. Crypto is pretty fast. You get it within like 24 hours. Especially if it's not your first time going through that channel. It's fairly quick.
Gotcha.
So it's like, again, like, why would I,
Exactly.
But man. Yeah, it's a nice option, I guess.
Yeah, always good to have options.
I just hope that this doesn't ramp up the cost of using the stuff.
Are they mad?
You never know.
Now I'll send them and they make
business models change all the time, to be fair. Let me look at the main dog that starts with F. The only withdrawal methods are regular bank wire transfer.
Are these guys back up?
Oh yeah, let's check.
Okay, one daily. No, not even MFF, the funded trader. You know they had a countdown on their stuff. It's 1 day, so tomorrow? No, not tomorrow. Next tomorrow. So Thursday they should be back up allegedly.
Apparently, so these people are really big in America.
Bro, yeah, man. This is like this is paramount to like MFF. I say MFF. MFF.
FTMO?
No, like MFF level type of trust. You get. Like
I don't know why people trusted it, because after the whole MFF fiasco, yeah, I was researching like everything and I was trying to look for, okay, who else has done shady shit? And these people were one of the first ones I came across for being shady.
Mad.
And I avoided them. Like, I think I have, let me even check WhatsApp. I think I sent them specifically. And I was like, guys, avoid this one. So it's surprising to me that people actually trusted it. Yeah.
Okay, so we're pushing up on gold here. Yeah. So we never so this 15 still has no bottom wick. I understand, we respect it, right? We close respecting, so the previous bottom wick or the bottom wick on the previous 15 could just be the tap into a level, right? This could be the level we're looking to tap into, and hence why we don't have a bottom wick on the current 15, and we could just continue pushing up to flip on the 30 here and drive up. What I'm seeing now, or yeah, I would like to avoid any hiccups here. So let's see, 5, 15. Yeah, 15, no bottom weight. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 30 close, man. Ideally, hopefully you don't close or you don't drive all the way up here. Hopefully you don't you don't kill this range. But yeah, now you're taking out those highs. That's the 4-hour highs as well. Are you gonna see a push here? Let's see. Very probable you see a push. Highly likely you see a push. I'm not gonna lie.
What are you looking at?
Gold. Yeah, highly likely you see a push here, but I can't really take it right now because it's 15.
Well, the trend direction has definitely changed to bullish, but it's in the sell zone still.
Yeah.
For me and my setup. And there's news in like an hour and
there is
12 minutes.
What news?
It's Canadian news, so
yeah.
Do with that what you will.
I ain't gonna do nothing. Yeah, so we could drive up here, y'all, but yeah, okay, 5-minute close, rejecting. Okay, so we're rejecting here, which is good, I guess. Yeah, so yeah, let's see how this 30-minute close. I'm gonna wait for the 30 closer here. Gonna wait for this 30 closer. Ideally you want a 30 closer above 23.78, and you have at least a 30 pip vantage point. Cool. Yeah, we slowed down here though. We did slow down here. Won't lie, volume wise, we have slowed down. It's almost 9:30 though, so NYSE open in a bit, in 5 minutes. So let's see if that brings in some volume to the markets. All right, let's see. Let's see. Yo, guy, I'm 10. Hey, darn. I'm on a 10 win streak on stream, bro. That's on stream anyways. Within that 10 win streak, I have like 2 losses off stream, but don't care about off stream. We're talking about on stream, dog. For the stats. And unfortunately, the 10th win was muted on stream, but it is what it is. All right, so yeah, that's so 5-minute closed, no top wick.
Just got a signal for buys on gold.
Yup. Yeah, I rate it.
Stop loss at 2370.
Oh man. Fucking hell. Yeah, if you break those highs on gold again for the 30-minute, you most likely gonna drive, man. You're most likely gonna drive, but it's 15, still no bottom wick, man. Yeah, man, I'm about to miss this bitch. I guess I ain't missing it. Yeah, you're gonna drive. See a break of those highs again. Boom, right there. Yeah, you should drive. Hopefully, if we can hang around here for this 30-minute closure, that would be beautiful. So 4 minutes. A lot can happen in 4 minutes. Plus, this closure was so shit. You had this 5-minute close bullish, no top wick, respecting the level, right? Respecting 2378. Then you had a top wick. I mean, if this candle can just, hang around this level, I'm gonna buy off rip. I don't even think I'll wait for much of a bottom wick, to be fair. Yeah, if you're gonna come down here now, you would just tap into this level, no? That's still 20 pip vantage point. Yeah, let's see what happens. 3 minutes left for a closer. Let's see. Can gold be good to us? Let me just get ready here. So I'd be looking for something like this. All right, something similar to this. When I hold you in my arms, I know that I can do no wrong. Before, why come back, huh? Why come back? No reason to come back. Already tapped into that level. Yo. 5, boom. Okay. Cool. So. 892. Get right, get left, we get stretched. Drill us 10 times, yeah, no. Okay. 15. That's the 4-hour highs, no? Right here. Let's see. Okay, so 1 minute left. 1 minute left. This is a good close. We have potential here. So lock in, lock in, lock in. This is potential. Cool. All right. 1, 2. We need a top wick on this candle though. We need a top wick on this. Ah, there you go. If we can close right there, that would be beautiful. Let me see. Okay. 15 seconds. So lock in. We might market execute here. We might market execute.
I am here.
We might market execute.
Oh, you just entered the trade?
Nah. Okay, so we're opening. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, about to enter a trade.
Yeah, about to. I'm probably gonna market execute.
Because you're going to. Okay, you're buying.
Yeah. Let me see.
Should have bought when I told you.
Let me see. Okay, so we're pulling back here. You could play the top wick. What closer is this? 30 minute? So this is a 30-minute closer. If it was an hourly closer, then I guess we could play that top wick and we could buy right now. But okay, hold up. Okay, I'm gonna have a. Does that make sense though? Let me see. So if we close above 15, 30. We tap that level or no? Not quite. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. As soon as we flip on this candle, I'm gonna take a buy.
Okay.
So two ways I'm taking a buy here. Either we flip on this candle, or if we break those lows again, I'm actually gonna take a buy. Let's see. We're coming down. Okay. So this is the 5. What's going on the 5? Let me see. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. So do we take a buy right there? Let's see a minute. A minute closer. Because I'm thinking of a wick entry here, guys. I'm thinking of a wick entry. Where makes the most sense for a wick entry? Okay. But it looks like, it looks like we missed our chance for the wick entry. We might not go back down there. Let's see.
Wait a minute.
I'm just trying to think. Is this a rejection area? I mean, if this was... but we do have. Okay. Okay, if this 5 can close, I just need this 5 to close. Oh, that's beautiful, man. Okay, so 2 ways I can enter this. I need this 5 to tap into, well, I mean, yeah, right there. I need this 5 to tap into right there, which it just did. Now, if this 5 can close like this, respected, still bearish like this, if the next 5 comes down, no top wick. If the next 5 comes down, take the bottom, the lows of the previous 5 or this current 5, I'll enter off the flip of the new 5 for sure. Yep. Yeah, lock in, guys. This is gonna be a quick one if we're taking something here. But if we close below this 5, below this 190, what is this? Not 190, 23.76. Yeah, so if we close below 23.76, I'm gonna take the flip of the 15. But If we close respecting and then the next 5 comes down, creates kills that bottom wick, then I'll get in on the flip of the 5. Ooh, that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Yeah, we could get a decent position here. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's a crazy pullback. Crazy pullback. Yeah, if we close below, I'm just gonna wait for the flip. I'm just gonna put buy stops on the flip of the 15. Yeah, tap it into there. Yeah, look at, oh yeah, look at where we're tapping into. We tap into this level. Oh, wow. Yeah, man. Yeah, if we continue pushing down here, if we tap into 23.74, I'm gonna buy. 374 we rejected. No, did we come back down? Yeah, we did. So we did come back down. Okay. 2374 though. Did we tap into 2374? Not yet, right? Yeah, not yet. Okay. All right. Things about to get techie. Things are about to get techie. Let me see. What is this? 2374.04. Yeah, I'm gonna. Okay. I just took a buy right there. Yeah. I just took a buy right there. Your vantage point here is gonna be on the flip of this 5. If this 5 flips, if this 5 continues to push down, you might have a problem, right? You might have a problem. But if this 5 flips, that should be the start of this 15-minute flipping, right? Of this 15-minute flipping and creating a top wick. So once this 5 flips, I'm gonna go break even. So it's gonna be a quick manage. 2374.3 to 2374.3. Let me see, 5.
Oh.
Okay, so we haven't flipped on the 5 quite yet. Okay, we just flipped on the 5. Break those highs. Yeah, okay, so we just flipped on the 5. I'm gonna go break even, and yeah, we came back, and yeah, so we came back break even, and it took me out. So we took me out break even, so that one doesn't even matter, right? But we could still continue this push up. Because if we're gonna push up now, then we shouldn't have come back down. As soon as we flipped on that 5, we shouldn't have come back, right? We should have just driven up. You could have waited for the, I guess, the break of the highs, but nah, with the way I entered, it's highly based off of volume, so it really shouldn't have stalled. So yeah, but what I will do right now, I'm gonna put a buy stop. I'm gonna put a buy stop at the flip of this candle. I'm gonna put a buy stop at the flip of this candle. Oh, but you have such a beautiful range here, man, to play. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, I tell you what. Boom, where's the hourly? Where's the hourly lows? So that's the 4-hour lows right there. Boom. Yeah, so below that range right there. So 30. Boom. So I'm gonna have buy stops here at the flip of the 30. And then order buy stop at 23. What is this? 2378. I bet people talking in my chat. 2378.7. 2378.7.
Hang on.
0.7.
Yeah, what did you say?
Huh?
Oh, I thought you were saying something.
Oh no, I said like there are people in the chat because I know they look on. 2378.7.
Oh, nah.
Okay. 378.79. 79? Yep. 79.2.
Your MT4 isn't showing. I don't know if you're doing that on purpose, because I see you managing trades. Holy shit. Wow. Okay, that was racially motivated.
It's not really sure.
Nah, she was definitely a motivator. This is a hate crime. Wow. Literally just touched it. Okay.
Ooh, look at the flip.
Wow.
Look at the flip on that one. Okay, is that 5? Is that the 5 flip? Yeah, that is the 5 flip. Let's see how we close on that 5. If we close bullish on that 5, I'm gonna buy. Two. What's this? 2, 3, 6, 2. That's a lot. Why the fuck?
And watch this shit come right back down. That's the crazy part.
So what is it? 2367.853.
Yeah, no, I'm done. I'm done for the day.
Okay, so the 5 didn't close bullish, so nothing for me there. Nothing for me there. But I am gonna have this buy stop though. I'm gonna have this buy stop. 378.77. 2. Yeah, 0.2. Yeah, right? 2367. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna have a buy stop. I have a buy stop on the flip of that's 15.5 currently has no foot. Yeah, I have a buy stop on the flip of the 30, which is also the flip of the 15. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. High chance we don't get activated though, because with the way this 15 is looking, high chance we don't get activated. So let me update the stream real quick. So that's a break even. That's another break even for the record. I already have it there too. So record, break even, 11. Trades, monthly 6. Okay. Now we got more break evens than wins, bruh. Pissing me off, man. I mean, break even are better than L's, I guess. Whoa, what happened on GJ, fool? Wow, Guan. Broski, look at GJ, man. Mike. This man ain't even here, bro. Yeah, GJ did a madness. I don't even know what just happened on GJ. Wow, okay. So we created a bottom wick for this previous 4 hour. Let me see the daily. What does that mean for the daily? I think daily already had a bottom wick, innit? Yeah, we already had a bottom wick on the daily too. 4 hour. 30, 15. Let's see. Wow, okay. So this is interesting to say the least. This is interesting to say the least. 15. So this 15 about to close. How is this 15 close? Yeah, this is I was not expecting this off of GJ, to be fair. We never took those highs. Never took those highs, created this bottom wick like this. Wow, okay, so that could give you something. That could give you some. So 15 about to close here. If this 15 doesn't activate us, if we're not in by this 15, I'm gonna close the, I'm gonna delete the what's it called? The position. The order. If we're not activated by this 15, I'm gonna delete the order. Yeah, 15. So you most likely will see. Yeah, if you got in here with the wick entry, if you got in here, I guess you could have played this as well, because this is an hourly level. So most likely you were gonna see that rejection. Yeah, go. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so this is just wasted hopes and dreams right now. What the fiat? Okay, 10 seconds left for a 15 close here. Hey, okay, trying to think how I can capitalize off this wick. You take these cells going down now on GJ. Is there news? What happened, man? Was it this? Was it industrial production? What the hell is industrial production, man? I don't know. Something happened. I guess that was a 9:30 open. People are panicking for some reason. Maybe there's some news I'm not aware of. Global news, you know? Yeah, I don't know what just happened here. Yeah, I don't really have entries here, to be fair. I already got nothing. I don't got nothing here. But we just took out all this liquidity, bro. Took out all these lows. Yeah, man. Took out all these lows. And we still never took out these highs. So a very high chance if we break those highs, we're gonna drive. Okay. 30-minute. Yeah, so I don't have entries quite yet, but this hourly closure should be key on GJ. This hourly closure is gonna be key. But if we end up flipping on this hourly closing above 192.85, you should drive, man, because you have a decent range up here. You have, oh, that would be the flip of the 4-hour candle. So minimum you have a good range of, say, 15 pips. Yeah, so minimum 15 pips, maximum you kill this whole range for 50 pips. That's interesting. Yeah, so let's see how this forms here, because you could just keep on pushing down, but yeah, let's see how that hourly closes on GJ. As for gold, oh my goodness, I'm retarded. Did I close? Okay. Oh my days. Woof, brother. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is why you pay attention to your I almost got tapped into this entry here. I almost got tapped into that entry. Okay, so 15 closed no top wick, right? We closed no top wick on the 15. No top wick and sort of below this level here. Yeah, let me clean this up a little bit. Yo, once I know more people are here, I'll start being more keen on you know, certain things, because that was not good on my part. My fault. That wasn't good on my part. Luckily, we always keep a little bit of space for our Alright, my fault. Yeah, so we've had this 15-minute close now, bearish below this level, right? So you wanna wait here, because this 30 could still flip and drive, right? So that's a possibility as well. If you took the sales off this wick, congratulations, right? But I didn't really have 15. Yeah, I need at least a 5-minute closure above here. At least a 5-minute closure. Yeah, GJ is so interesting, man. Because one, I don't even know how we formed all of this. I don't know where this volume came from. I don't know what's going on here.
Yeah, some fuckery occurred.
Yeah,
I just decided to leave the market for the day.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, I'll be here till. I mean, I've been here a while, so I'll be here till 10 o'clock. If we don't get positions by 10, that'll be it for the day. That'll be the stream for the day, but the moves are still possible here. Okay, so 5-minute closing here. Looks like we're gonna close respecting. Looks like we're gonna close respecting. The most frustrating thing that can happen here is the hourly just drives straight up. All right, we close below on the 5 and then we just break these highs and we drive straight up. Yeah, look at this formation though. Yeah, it's a sick formation. Yeah, if you had those buys, damn. Yeah, if you didn't have this resistance here, on the 5, this is a sick formation. All right, because you have a bullish closure above this support, right? Doji respecting the same support. Now you're opening no top wick. If you just broke these lows, I would have bought right there. If this was a formation on a higher time frame, yeah, I'm in there. 24/7, I'm in there. Yeah, but look at that. Yeah, you gotta pay attention to the higher time frames too, you know. Yeah, that's real iffy. That's real iffy. Yeah, GJ still driving down, man. I don't know where this came from. I do not know where this came from. Yeah, this hourly closure is gonna be key. If we close below here on the hourly, I mean, why wouldn't I take sales, right? That's the question. Yeah, at that point, I'm looking for reasons not to take sales. Yeah, man.
Voila.
Voila la la la. Yeah, let me just hey, nice one. Nice one.
Welcome.
The family in the chat. You feel my accents. See, I get accents. That. Appreciate you. Okay, let me see. 30. Yeah, so let's see how we close here, man. If we close below 192.3, yeah, at that point I'm looking for reasons not to take sales at that point, and they're not many. Yeah, because you had this bottom wick now, so to clear the road. Trading below here. Yeah, let's see how we close. I really don't know why we started pushing down here. There's no news. There's no news. I guess it was 9:30. Maybe it was NYSE open. Maybe. But even then, why would there might be something going on globally. There might be some news I'm not aware of. Let me see. World news. Bolton says Biden is an El Nino.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, yeah. I don't know why the move is happening, but I'm gonna look to take advantage of the move. Alright, gold. What we saying? Gold. Give me something. Let me tell you something. One more. You thought they know they trading in, but I thought you did.
Yeah.
Understandable.
Wait, that's not supposed to happen.
What's not supposed to happen?
No, I'm back testing the expert advisor.
Oh yeah, I remember this. Okay, that makes sense. I remember this. Say less. Say less. All right, 5 more minutes left. 5 more minutes. So we had this gold 5 close below. Yeah, good thing we stayed out of this. Good thing we stayed out of this. There's a lot of BS going on right now. Yeah, this 30-minute might just close no top wick. But then Harley has a top wick though. Yeah, that's tough. Look at that formation on the 4. Yeah, that's absolutely tough. Okay, we're about to take out the lows of the 4 hour, right? We're about to take out these lows. We're about to take out these lows. One of two things are gonna happen here. Once we take out these previous 4 hour lows, we're either gonna see a pull down. We're either gonna drop down. We're gonna see a sharp pull down, or we're gonna reject. We're gonna see a sharp rejection of this 4 hour candle, right? Well, let me not say they're gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen, but most likely that's what's gonna happen, right? So you're either gonna see a sharp push. So as soon as you break these lows, you're either gonna see a sharp push towards maybe 23. I'd say 2364, right? Yeah, 2364, 65. What is this? Is it 4 or 5? Yeah, 2365. Yeah. So once if you tap into these levels here, you should see a push down to either 2365, right? Or you should see immediate rejection, right? You should see like a tap. Okay, so now we've tapped in. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna reject immediately, right, for this hourly to close above 2372 here, and then we can start taking our buys? Or are we okay? Looks like we did the former, right? We had to push down to 2365. Now what are we gonna do now that we've come down to this position, right? You're probably asking me, okay, so you knew it was gonna drive down, why didn't you take the sales there? Again, anything could have happened there. We could have rejected as soon as we tapped in, but in this case we just pushed straight through. So those were one of the two things that could happen. Now what happens now? What happens now that we've tapped into 2365 levels here? What's gonna happen now? That's the question. That's the question. If we close below here on the hourly, I'm in for the sales. I'm in for the sales. But if we reject and we are able to close, I mean, in terms of buys, to be honest, let me see what would. Yeah, I mean, I guess that would be a 15 flip. Yeah, we need a closer above 2372 minimum for the buys. 1530. So we're rejecting here though. Yeah, imagine this 30 flips. Tough. Absolutely tough. Okay, look at GJ. GJ ate back up. GJ tapped into a level and has been pushing back up. Okay. How can I get involved with this on GJ though?
Oh, beautiful.
What do you think though?
No, I said that's beautiful. I'm looking at the
You're looking at which one?
No, the behavior. I'm still testing some things.
Oh. It's 15 is about to close. Push up a little bit, motherfucker. If you can close above 192.52, okay. I'm down for those buys. But looks like we're closing inside this range though. Yo, some bullshit, bro. Okay, that is good though. You are closing above this level. That's interesting. Okay. Gold closing below as well. Yo, for so much volume, we're about to close in the deadest way possible. Both gold and GJ.
Wait, are you in the trade right now?
Nah.
Okay, so which one are you stalking right now?
To be honest, both of them. Yeah, okay, so fucking hell. Yeah, this is not the best closure on gold. So I mean the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour, you can still play this 4 hour because if you take out these lows, I don't see why you wouldn't drive down, to be fair. Yeah, if you take out those lows, I don't see why you wouldn't drive down unless there is a level here. Because I mean, you don't know whether there's a level here on the 4 hour, right? Because I mean, you just had this candle here. This level hasn't really printed on the 4. It hasn't really printed on the 4. The hourly took out those highs, came back and closed below support, right? But respecting this support. 30. Yeah, this is tough. Because once you flip here, you could drive down, but you're respecting a level here. You're respecting support. Okay, looking at GJ though. GJ closed bearish or closed bullish. Oh no, bearish. Yeah, the hourly on GJ closed bearish, respecting support as well. Okay, so we've driven off this level in the past. So we went all the way down there, grabbed that liquidity. Okay, I'm probably gonna take a buy. Hold up, let me see. 30-minute here. Man, I don't wanna. All right. So I'm only seeing one thing here. I'm gonna be here latest 10:15. If we have a 15-minute closure, this is the only thing I'll consider. We need a 15-minute closure above 199. Crazy. 192.5. We need a bullish closure above 192.5. We could just drive here and just dip, but I need a closure above 192.5. A 5-minute closure too would be good. I don't really need a 15. A 5-minute closure too would be good. Yeah. Give me a closure above 192.5. I'll get in those buys. Put your stop loss below the bottom of this wick that we created, and then if we're gonna push up here, yeah, I mean, to be honest, if you're gonna push up here, you could have some runners, man. I'm not gonna cap. You could have some runners. But you need the positions first to get the runners. Need the initial positions first. Yeah. Cool. Let's see what price does here. Hey, yeah, I'm about tired already, so yeah, this is gonna be our last little Hail Mary for the day.
No Hail Marys. Follow the script.
Hail Mary in terms of what would I say now? Yeah, we got nothing right now though. Nothing right now. We need a closure above. Doesn't even need to be a 15, just a 5 closure. Because we've already created this bottom wick, came all the way here, closed above resistance, right? Because if we close below, this is the level we would be looking at in terms of driving down off of this level, right? So we came all the way down here, killed all these lows, boom, 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 killed all these lows, still came back up to respect this level that we've driven off of before in the past, right? If you look here, we drove straight off this level and we went up towards 192.8, right? So yeah, let's see. Yeah, let's see. And previously in the past, when we've rejected off of 192.8, we've never closed respecting, coming back to respect 192.4, right? Because look at here, 192.8, we drove clean straight through 192.4, tapped in, clean straight through 192.4. So now that we've tapped in, came down all this way, right, created this steep bottom wick and still closed above 192.4. Yeah, I'm good with that. I am very good with that. Okay, so your first 5-minute closer. Oh man, oh please don't drive, man. Just don't drive yet. Don't drive yet. Come on, don't drive yet. I just need this 5-minute closer above here. Once we have this 5 closer above, I'm in. I'm not waiting for the 15 just because, I mean, if we're gonna drive up here, we've already created our bottom wick, right? We've already created this bottom wick and we've had a closure, so we don't need to wait for the 15 close again, right? If we close bearish below, sure, we wait for a 15, but nah, we respected that level, right? So all I need is a 5. I just need a 5 closer. All right, cool. So at least we know what we're looking for here, right? We know what we're looking for. In terms of gold is forming, like the actual candles look nice, but the way they're forming around the levels are so shit. Yeah, this just needed to close a few pips below, just a few more pips down, and we would have been good for the sells here. I mean, technically, you were probably still good for the sells now that I think about it, because I mean, yeah, that's 4-hour lows, bro. Guy, what are you saying about gold, man? What's your setup saying about gold? Yo, is this dude even in here? Yo, Mike. Bruv, your insight is needed, man. This dude, bro. When the world needed him most. That nigga vanished. Lol. Yeah, so pay attention to GJ. Pay close attention to GJ. I'll pay attention to GJ and gold for y'all, but pay attention to GJ. Yeah, if gold flips here, we could drive. We could drive, especially with this 4-hour momentum here. Broski, man, you picked the wrong time to go AFK, man. Yeah, you're pushing. You're pushing. Okay, so that'll be a 15. Yeah, so fuck it. So I'm gonna wait on gold. I'm gonna wait for the 15 close. Gold, I'm gonna wait for the 15 close. If we drive and just go, it is what it is, right? I'm gonna wait on the 15 close for gold. For GJ, I just need this 5 minute to close. We have what, 2 minutes left for this 5 close. We have a bottom wick for this previous 5 now, so this is all good. These are all good things. These are all good things. Yeah, so I just need this 5 minute to close above. I just need this 5 minutes to close above and I'll be in there. Let me just get ready here. So let's get active, guys. Let's get active. Let's get active. Let's get active. Ooh, 5 minutes. 5, what is this level? 192.53. Three. Okay. Cool. So. Yeah, so as soon as if this 5 closes above this level, 192.53, as soon as that candle closes, if I see a bottom wick, I'm gonna have a buy stop on a break. Well, no, I'll probably market execute this. Yeah, there's probably a market execution, but we need a top wick though. Wallah, if we don't get a top wick, oh, I'm pissed. Yeah, we need a top wick. Need a top wick. Oof, we're going here. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds. Okay, we need a top wick. Okay, we have a top wick. We just need a bottom wick. Okay, so now once we break those highs, I'm gonna buy. See, almost and almost. So not quite yet. If we pull down a little bit steeper, I'll just have a buy stop, but for now I'm gonna wait to market execute. Okay, so we just took out those highs again. I am currently in a buy here on GJ. Let's see what happens. Let me see. Ooh, I didn't know this was a thing. I didn't know I could go full screen like this. Does it change if my shit on? Whoa, that's tough. Not really. Doesn't really change much. Okay, so I mean, we're in here, we're in the trade now, so let's see what happens. If this 15 flips, if this 15 closes bearish, I'll close the position immediately, right? Because then it's scuffed. Yeah, it's absolutely scuffed at that point, right? So yeah, let's see what happens here. What do I have on stream right now? Just put in my stops. Stop loss 191.831. TP. Yeah, TP I got at TP I got at so if we drive up here, let me see the 30-minute. If we drive up here, that would be so full TPs would extend to about here, right? Yeah, that would be that, and then this would be full TPs over here. Cool. All right, so we got our positions for the day.
Oh, you took something.
Yeah, let's see if it plays out though. If we flip on this 15, it's scuffed. If we flip on this 15, it's absolutely scuffed. So what you want now is you want this current candle to close above 192.54 or 52, right? You want this candle to close above 192.52. Even if you don't drive on this 15, you want that closure above. If you close below, things get a little iffy. If you close below, you can still stay in the trade. I'll still stay in the trade, but if it flips bearish, yeah, I'm closing immediately. Or at least closing partials immediately. Let's see. Yeah, if you're looking at gold, I'd say wait for this 15 close. If you have a 15 close below 23.66 closing bearish, then yeah, you can take those sells going down for sure. Your first vantage point would be right here. So your first vantage point is about 23.62. So that's a good 30 plus pips. That's a good 30 plus pips there. And it looks like you might get that though. It looks like you might get that. Looks like you might get that. But I am currently in GJ, so sadly I cannot take advantage of this flip on gold. So we'll see. I mean, we have 50 seconds here for a close. Most likely we're not gonna flip on this 30 on gold or on this 15 on gold, but let's see. Could also get in on a 30-minute. Yeah, let's see though. Let's see. What do I have on screen right now? What's on the screen? I have my terminal. Okay. Cool. So this 15 is gonna close. Hopefully we can close bullish. The most ideal place to close is above 192.62. Yeah, that would be the most ideal closer, but as long as you can have a bullish close, you're good. But this next candle has to open with a bottom wick. Okay. Oh, that was a shit bottom wick though. Disgusting. If we take out those highs before we create more of a bottom wick, we might have a problem.
I'm going to have to leave early.
This guy, bro.
Later, and Godspeed.
This guy, bro. Alright, broski. Later, man. Okay, so we don't have much of a bottom wick, so I'm actually gonna go break even now that we're tapping into 192.65. Let me show my terminal on stream. So yeah, now that we tap into 192.65, I'm gonna go break even. Damn. Yeah, I and the thing is, if we flip now, we're just gonna melt, right? I mean not melt, but if we flip, what are the chances, right? We're not, the fact that we already started coming up this high, this is either the push to continue up, right? Or this is just the top wick to tap into these levels and then flip, right? So yeah, not much I can do about that. Because one of two things could happen here. We flip and we drive down, or we flip just to create a bottom wick for this 15 and then we continue to push up, right? Either way, I don't really want to be in yeah, I don't really want to be in there, man. Yeah, I mean, I could close off right now and just take whatever profits I have, because very likely we are gonna flip here. Yeah, I could do that, but there's no, yeah, I'm gonna keep this running. First TP is gonna be at 192.7. Oh, we already tapped into that, no? 192.71. Okay, once we break those highs, we should see a push. Once we break these highs, we should see a push. What is showing on my terminal or on my stuff? F9. Yeah, so once we take those highs, we should see a push. Let me see something. Yeah, my fault. Okay, so yeah, this is an ugly candle right now. One sec, chat. Okay, so right there I got stopped out break even, right? Yeah, we got stopped out break even, or $1 in profit. We got $1. So one of two things could happen here, right? Now that we haven't even really created a bottom wick though. We didn't really create a bottom wick. Yo, I'm pissed, man. It's another break even? Real, man? crazy, man. That's crazy, man. Another break even, man. Another break even, man. Yeah, a lot of break evens this month. I'm not gonna cap. Another break even for the record. Another break even for the. I gotta push this down, huh? Let me see. Okay, so now we're pushing up. Let me see here, guys. I'm trying to see how we could get back into these positions. 5-minute close, maybe. And 30-minute close would be crazy. Yeah, that would be fuego, huh? Okay, guys. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna stay till 10:30 because I do see some potential positions forming here. This one could be gone though. This GJ could be gone, right? We got stopped out break even, but I mean, yeah, that was the time to manage the trade, and we managed it, right? So we got stopped out break even. If we were gonna push there, I don't know why we stalled this much. Plus, this open is tough. This current 15 is tough. We could flip at any time, so we could just come up, tap a little bit higher, and then flip. So no bueno, right? So yeah, we're gonna wait for the 30-minute close in about 8 minutes here. Yeah, we're flipping on this 15. Yeah, we're gonna wait for the 30-minute close, and we'll see what happens. If this 30-minute close is bullish above, boom, you buy. Easy, no questions asked, you buy. Gold, if this 30-minute close is below, boom, you sell. Easy as that. Voila, easy as that. Okay, so I'm gonna be back. Yeah, this should be an interesting 30-minute close. I've been here way too long, but yeah, this should be interesting. 30-minute close. Yeah. So I'm gonna be back, chat. I'm gonna be back. Yeah, let's see if we end the day off on a win instead of a break even. All right. 1 sec. Okay. How are we closing here? It's a shit close all around, huh? Shit close all around. We open with a top wick. That's this level here. Is this an hourly level or no? Let me see. I guess it is an hourly level, huh? Hourly 30. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, cool. So I have nothing on gold. Maybe something will come later. Probably something will come later, because once gold stalls like this, you usually see the move later in the day. On GJ though, on GJ, okay, so now that we came up here, we tapped into this level. Let me see. 15. So 4 hour. That's the hourly. That in the hour, that has to be a flip of the hour. Right, flip of the hour, boom. To these levels here. So how many pips is this? Same much in terms of pips, 4 pips. So this just started setting up like a sell, right? We just started setting up as a sell. I don't want to take it on the flip, to be honest, of this 30. I don't really want to take it on this flip. Yeah, look at that formation though. Sick. That's a sick formation. Close 15, 30. I'm trying to figure out why I wouldn't take this, to be honest. And then you had a 5 close below again, 15. Fake out on the 15, 5. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop. Or it looks like we're coming down here, so I might market execute. So over there, and these highs, right? 37. So I'm either gonna market execute off of this sells, or I'm gonna have a sell stop. One or the other. Okay, so we just flipped. Hold up. Showing the wrong screen. So we just flipped. So GJ, let me see these cells. Cells towards these highs here. What is that? 7, 8. So once we break those lows, okay, so we just flipped on GJ on what is this, the 15 or on the 30? We just flipped on the 30 on GJ, and I've taken the sells. So I'm in those sells on GJ. Yeah, this 5-minute close should tell us what we want to do here. In terms of break even, yeah, so it wouldn't be the break of these lows, it would be more around here. All right, yeah. Okay, cool. So I mean, I'm in these cells on GJ. I'd say break even is about, boom, let me see, 7 pips. Yeah, break even is about 7 pips away. But if this 5 closes back bullish above, then we'll look to manage. We'll look to manage. I won't close, but we'll look to manage risk. So let's see here. We have about 40 seconds left for this 5 minutes to close. What do I have showing on stream? Okay. Yeah, so we got about 5 minutes for this 5 minute to close. Let's see what happens. Sorry, not 5 minutes. We're about 20 seconds for this 5 to close. Yeah, we can close respecting here, respecting this level here. That would be good. If we close above, it's a long day, but we're still gonna be in the trade because it's still a valid position. So okay, so 5 minute close respecting. Ideally you would have wanted it to close bearish, but it is what it is. That's still a good close. So first thing you did was create a little bit of a top wick here, which is decent. That's not too bad. Now can we drive down here? Can we drive down? If you come back to our entries, you should see, or rather, if you're gonna drive down here, right, once you come back to the entries, you should see a pull down. So you should see a drive down. Get that out the way. Yeah, and in terms of break even, again, I would say so I mean this range is clean, to be fair. It is a clean range. So this, right? Yeah. Oh, that is tough. That is tough. Let me see. Mama say mama sa mama kusa. See, so that would be a 4 hour lows. Yeah, once you flip on that candle, right? Yeah, so what I'm thinking right now for managing this, if we can manage and profit, or sorry, to go break even, would be a 5 minute closure below 192.45. So because if you get a closure below there on this 5 and then you survive a top wick, you should continue to see the push down. Let me just put in my stop loss here. What is it? 192.824. So I just put in my stop loss. I didn't move anything. Okay, so now you're coming down here. Are you breaking lows? So not quite yet. So you broke 15-minute low. So I'll manage in one of two ways. Either we take out these 30-minute lows, right? Which is, oh, I think we're about to take out the 30-minute lows actually. Okay, we just took out the 30-minute lows. I'm gonna go break even. Cool. Okay, so I'm break even on this trade right now, so we're in here risk free. Because we just took out those 30-minute lows. If we're gonna continue driving here, we should just drop, right? We should just drop. But now that we've taken out those 30-minute lows, if this is just a liquidity grab, we're gonna come back up. So I don't want to be involved in all that, so I'm just gonna go break even right now. Plus we're a little bit later in the session than I want to be, so volume comes into question. Right now the volume comes into question. So yeah, so these are all things you need to consider. These are all things you need to consider. I mean, if you're comfortable with, you know, the current volume in the market, maybe these are times you usually trade, I would say just hold off, right? So hold off till this 5-minute closes, because if this 5-minute closes bearish below here, below this level, and we survive a top wick, you really shouldn't come back, and then you can just put your stop loss at the top of the top wick, right? So yeah, that's what I'm looking at here, guys. But in terms of this, in terms of TPs, I'm not expecting much, just because, I mean, yeah, we're already pretty late here in the session, and we're coming up to a 4-hour level as well. 1 hour 30. Yeah, in terms of TPs, I think 192.8 Yeah, 192.35 really. Yeah, not too much. Yeah, so we're not too far off of TPs, but so this 5. So we're pulling back for the last few seconds of this 5. What can we do here? Can we survive the pullback? We'll see. But this is gonna be our last attempt at a trade for the day, though. I mean, gold ended up closing above. Yeah, the formation on gold has been absolutely treacherous. So let's see. We're in these positions, though. We're in these positions. I'm gonna just mute myself. I'm here. I got a child, bruv. Okay, so 1 second left. Okay, so high chance we get, yep. So we just got taken out break even. Yo, I'm making some money here though. So why is my balance not changing? These are scam. Are they trying to scam me? Am I getting scammed, man? Oh, maybe that's going to commissions. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so I mean, now you're most likely gonna drive down because you've come up here. I mean, 5 close respecting that level, and now you're melting, huh? Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. Yeah, I'm gonna call that one, guys. I'm gonna call it. Because you could continue driving down here, but hey, if we didn't drive down on that push, it is what it is. Right now we're at this 4-hour level. Yeah, it is what it is. I don't like the time either. I don't like the time right now either. So yeah, yo, thanks for tuning in. We're back tomorrow again, of course, as always, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 p.m. Watts. Make sure y'all show up for that. Tomorrow we have some news, so we should. Oh no, we don't. Do we have? I thought we had news. There's no news tomorrow, so that could either be a good thing or a bad thing. We'll see. All right, we'll see. Oh no, there is news. Never mind. Oh no, this is Thursday. Never mind. Shit, bugging. Yeah, so no news tomorrow. Never mind. No news tomorrow. I might not be able to stream. I might have an appointment tomorrow, but we'll see. But yeah, nah, that's it. That's gonna be it for me, guys. GJ could continue running down here, but I mean, hey, we're already out of the position break even. Yeah, look at that. Some bullshit. Yeah, some bullshit for real. Some bullshit for real. Yeah, look at the 5 formation. Yeah, you should see the rest of our TPs are probably gonna get hit, right? You should see TPs get hit minimum. I guess I should have waited for the 5 minute to close, but again, with taking out those lows, we really shouldn't have come back down up if we were gonna drive. So it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna call that one for the day. See y'all guys on the next one. Yeah, peace. Wait, never mind. Hold up. I forgot to update the record. My fault. That's 8 break evens, man. That's tough, bro. How many break evens? So many. Yeah, that's 13 break evens all time. Tough. Yeah, so yeah, that's gonna be it for me, y'all. Y'all have a good one. 15. Oh my goodness, I gotta start closing my eyes, man. So what I just saw, right, I just realized this is about to be a 15-minute close. If you have the 15-minute close below here, Boom, right there. Yeah, if you have the 15-minute close below here, you could take those cells going down. So we have 50 seconds left for this 15. So I'm gonna stick around for now. I'm gonna stick around until this 15 closes. Okay. Now have a good day, guys. All right. Peace, peace, peace.